Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a pop-up for your Shopify store with Popupsmart Shopify app. It's going to be completely free, there is no coding involved, and you can just create your first pop-up campaign in minutes. So let's begin. I'm on my Shopify admin panel right now. On the left hand panel you will see apps. When you click on it, just search for Popupsmart and you'll be directed to the Shopify app store. Continue with Popupsmart and click install. And then continue with install app. If you have an existing Popupsmart account, you can continue with that, or you can just click create a new Popupsmart account. And we successfully connected our Shopify account with Popupsmart with just one click. So we are welcomed by the Playbook. This is where you can see all the ready-to-use pop-up templates. On the left-hand panel, you will see some goals. You can choose a pop-up template according to your goal. We have some industries as well. We have seasonal pop-ups, different pop-up types, and we also have animated pop-up or multi-step pop-up filters right here. So let's choose a pop-up template. Okay, let's continue with this one maybe. Okay. Now we are in the customize step. This is where you can add a new step to your pop-up. As you can see, this is a multi-step pop-up, or you can delete some of the steps. You can rename or duplicate them. We also have the teaser pop-up, which is like a miniature version of your pop-up. If you want, you can activate it from here, or you can edit it. And you can also add new elements to your pop-up. From here, you can add social share buttons, a countdown timer, or a YouTube video, maybe an animation. Or we have the Shopify element right here. If you want to showcase your collection products, you can easily delete them by clicking on delete this element. And then we have the lottery ball gamification elements, coupon code, and form element right here. Actually, we have the form element on the pop-up right now. We are asking for the email addresses of the visitors, but if you want, you can ask for their phone numbers, full names, or whatever information you need. So let's go back now, and you can easily drag and drop these elements if you want to change their position on the pop-up. You can also make adjustments on your success pop-up as well. Let's continue with style now. You can see the theme engine here. When you click change, let me go back to my main pop-up. Okay, when you click on them, you immediately change the look of your pop-up with just one click. And if you like one of the predefined designs, you can click on apply theme. Or if you want to go back to the original look, just click reset. This is also where you can change the size of your pop-up, its position on the website. From pop-up body style section, you can change the background color of your pop-up. You can add an image as the background or even a lottery animation. You can just arrange the website overlay. You can change its color as well. This website overlay actually makes your pop-up more eye-catching. You can change the shape of your pop-up. Maybe you can make it square or round at the corners. You can choose an animation for the opening of your pop-up. Then we have text size and font. This is where you can change the color of the text, its size. And you can change the font as well. You can see the font library here, but if you need more fonts, just click more fonts, and with just one click, they're added to your library, and you can easily choose the font that you want. Then we have the form style. For the form element right here, you can change its shape, background fill, or text color as well. We have the button style if you want to do changes on your button. And lastly, you can even change the type and style of the close button. If you want further customization, you can continue with advanced style to add a custom CSS maybe, but the basic style options are just more than enough. Let's continue with segment. This is where you can choose some of the predefined segmentation options we provide. When you click on change segment, you can see our predefined segmentation options, but if you want to create your segmentation from scratch, continue with my segments and click create. So under audience, you will see some segmentations come by default, like visitor devices, but with just one click, you can change them if you want to. If you want to display your pop-up on desktop only, it's possible, and the otherwise is possible as well. Then we are targeting new and returning visitors. If you want, you can just target one group of the audience only. And we have the URL targeting. We want to target all pages on the website, but if you want, you can show your pop-up on the specific pages of your website as well. Then we have other audience targeting options, like you can schedule the date and the time of your pop-up. We have the traffic source if you want to show your pop-ups to the audience that's coming from a specific source only. We have the operating system, geolocation targeting, and other targeting options as well. Then we have the user behavior targeting. We have after scrolling X%, for example. If you want, you can just show your pop-up to the visitors who scroll 20% or 30% of your website. We have the exit intent if you want to target visitors who are about to leave your website. Then we have other targeting options like after X seconds or inactivity mode. And we also have frequency settings right here if you want to display your pop-up on every page view, every session, or once every day or month, or 2 days or 2 months. Then we have stop displaying the pop-up when someone submits an email, or they click a button, or if they close the pop-up, or if it's their specified number of visits. Okay, once you're happy with the segmentation, just save it. Let's continue with Publish. On the Publish tab, you'll see the targeting summary, and then we have the autoresponder email. If you want to send emails to visitors who fill in the email address form field right here, you can just activate it and you can edit the email right in the builder. And then we have self-email notification if you want to be notified when visitors fill in the email address form field right here. You can add your email, and we have integration options right here if you want to integrate your Popupsmart account with the platforms that you might be using maybe. And lastly, we have the Google Analytics integration. Once you're happy with all these settings, you can click Publish. So when you click Publish, you will see this Verify window telling you to verify your Popupsmart app. For this, I'm going to the Shopify admin panel. From Themes, continue with Customize. On the left-hand panel, you will see App Embeds, and then just toggle Popupsmart. Don't forget to click Save, and go back to Popupsmart and click Refresh. So we successfully activated Popupsmart app on Shopify. Click OK, and your pop-up campaign is being published successfully. And our pop-up campaign is successfully published. Let's see it on our website. So here's my website, and here is our pop-up. It's super easy creating your own pop-up campaign for free for your Shopify store. Go ahead and try it out for yourself, and let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to contact us, and I'll see you next time.